Hello guys, welcome to the Security Officer Training. This course is powered by www.securityguardexam.com. The topic is fire. What is fire? Fire is the visible form of the chemical reaction between oxygen in the atmosphere and some sort of fuel, for example, wood, paper, cloth, gasoline, petrol, diesel, etc. What is the fire triangle? Fire can take place if three things are present. The combination of three things known as fire triangle: oxygen, fuel, heat. Oxygen, fuel, and heat are the element of the fire. If these three things are combined, then only fire can take place. Definition of the heat: the source of ignition which provide enough heat to start a fire, for example, welding spark, oven or stove top, flame, embers between the materials. Definition of the fuel: it can be anything that burn in the fire, for example, wood, paper, cardboard, furniture, petrol, oil, lubricants, methane, butane or propane gas, plastic, fabrics. Definition of the oxygen: this is another element of the fire which can find in the surrounding air. If the oxygen present, the fire can be taken place. Controlling the fire: there are three standard methods of controlling a fire. Starving: this means to remove the source of fuel from the fire. Smothering: this is the restriction of oxygen from accessing the fire. Cooling: this is the removing the heat from the fire. To put out the fire, we have to take away one of the element of fire, whether heat, fuel, or the oxygen. Classification of the fire: Class A fire: fire on the solid material, for example, wood, paper, fabric, plastic. Class B fire: fire on the liquid, for example, petrol, oil, grease, paint, kerosene. Class C fire: fire on the gas, e.g. methane, butane, propane. Class D fire: fire on the metal, for example, sodium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium. Class E fire is a electrical fire. Method of fire spreading: convection, conduction, and radiation. These are the three processes which contribute to expand the fire. Convection: when things are burned, the hot gases contained in the space, so it helps to burn the substances by supporting them from being heated. Enough heat causes further fire to start or expand. Conduction: the heat transfer one place to another through solid materials and increase the temperature of the fuel that causes the fire or expansion of the fire. Radiation: the process of the radiation is transferring the heat from other place without any solid material rather than the infrared spectrum. The valuable example we know about the radiation is the heat from the sun. Radiation also another source of fire start and fire expansion. Thank you for watching. If you are new for this channel, I request you subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon because you will not miss any video that I upload in this channel. Like, share the video to your friend or family member. This can be helpful for them. See you and bye.